This Navratri, I'm making a healthy, gluten-free and a commonly made fasting recipe which is Rajgira Thepla. I'm going to start with making the dough. I have one boiled and grated potato here, and now into this I'm going to add in some seasoning ingredients. Half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, 2 pinches of black pepper, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, a teaspoon of chili paste, 1/4 cup chopped coriander, senda namak, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all these ingredients with the potato. Add in 1.5 cups of Rajgira flour. Add in some water and make the dough. Apply a little bit of oil and let the dough rest for 5 minutes. Rajgira Amaranth is a very good source of calcium, protein and fiber. It's an extremely healthy option for rotis. And now the dough is well rested. Let's start making the theplas. Let's take a portion of the dough, make a round ball, dust some Rajgira flour onto the board and roll out some round theplas. Roll it as thinly as possible. If you don't like the edges being rough, you can always cut it with some kind of a sharp lid. This is ready. And now let's roast it on the pan. Flip it over. Cook it for a few seconds on one side. Drizzle some ghee or oil. Once it's cooked on the other side, flip again. Flip it over. This is done. Let's get it out. Similarly, in this way, making the theplas. Drizzle some ghee or oil. Flip it over. This is done. Let's get it out. Serve these Rajgira Theplas with some singdana and aloo ki sabzi. The link is in the description box below. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.